Thank you for tuning in to the Brach Eichler Talks podcast, where we explore and discuss today's trending legal topics. In this episode, we will discuss an important healthcare law update titled NJDOH Reiterates Licensed Healthcare Facilities Documentation Production Obligations. On March 19, 2026, the New Jersey Department of Health issued a memo entitled Requirement to Produce All Requested Documentation, reiterating to all licensed healthcare facilities the obligation to produce documentation upon request by the department in accordance with its oversight and regulatory authority. Pursuant to the Healthcare Facilities Planning Act, the department is authorized to inspect healthcare facilities and require the submission of reports and information necessary to effectuate the Act's purposes. The department's memo clarifies that the Federal Patient Safety and Quality Improvement Act of 2005, PSQIA, does not preempt state or federal reporting obligations and does not relieve licensed facilities of the obligation to comply with such reporting requirements. Pursuant to the PSQIA, patient safety work product, i.e., materials developed exclusively for reporting to a patient safety organization, remain privileged. However, documents required to be maintained or reported under state or federal laws, such as adverse event reports, infection control reports, licensure and certification documentation, patient care records, and other materials necessary for regulatory oversight, do not qualify as patient safety work product and must be disclosed to the department upon request. The department also emphasizes that disclosures of protected health information to the department are permitted under HIPAA without patient authorization, where the department is acting in accordance with its oversight and regulatory authority. For more information, contact Caroline J. Patterson, Managing Member and Chair, Healthcare at 973-364-5233, or cpatterson@bracheichler.com, or Edward J. Yun, Member, Healthcare at 973-364-5229, or eyun@bracheichler.com. Or Vanessa Coleman, Associate, Healthcare at 973-364-5208, or vcoleman@bracheichler.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and YouTube. Follow us on LinkedIn and Facebook for updates on new episodes. For more information and resources, visit bracheichler.com. This is intended to provide general information, not legal advice. Please contact the authors if you need specific legal advice. Brach Eichler LLC is a full-service law firm based in Roseland, New Jersey, with over 80 attorneys. The firm is focused on the following practice areas: healthcare law, real estate, litigation, trusts and estates, business transactions and financial services, personal injury, criminal defense and government investigations, labor and employment, environmental and land use, family law services, patent, intellectual property, and information technology, real estate tax appeals, tax and cannabis law.